G'day guys, it's Matt here from Tradie Web Guys. I'm just coming at you with a case study for an existing client of ours, actually. These are a long-time marketing client of ours. And the reason that we have rebuilt this website is because we rebuilt this website initially maybe 4 or 5 years ago, and basically within that time technology's changed. The website builders that we're using today are a lot lighter on code, which means they tend to load a lot quicker when you're loading pages, and they're a lot more responsive within first of all the administration side of things in the back end, and they've got a lot more features and a lot more things that you can apply to the website both visually and in the back end, which is certainly an advantage for us, being that we're optimizing these websites and we're doing a lot of work in updating them and things like that. So we wanted to basically make sure that the client's website is running the best it possibly can so that we're getting the best results from their marketing. And so this is just a step that we took upon us to basically rebuild this site so that it's nice, new, modern, and got all the bells and whistles, so to speak. And as you'll see, their existing site, there's nothing wrong with it. It's quite a nice looking site. It ticks all the boxes with conversion factors and all that kind of stuff. It does have a few too many stock images, which I'd love to get rid of, but essentially it's quite a nice site. The new site we've focused a little bit more on the messaging, and we've tidied up above the fold a little bit. And we've also been able to add some of the features, the new modern features, which these new builders incorporate. So it's a much faster loading website, which is basically what we're really after. It's a lot lighter on code, and it ticks the boxes with a lot more of the features that we are looking for. So this is, I suppose, not a typical case study in the sense that this client didn't come to us looking for a new website. They are an existing client, and we basically did this because we want to get better results, the best results we can for them. So it's more a case for us of making sure that our campaigns are running the best they possibly can, and this was the next step for that. So if you'd like to get yourself a nice new modern website with all the bells and whistles, if you're currently running marketing campaigns and the websites aren't converting the best they possibly could, let us know. Head across to tradiewebguys.com.au. We do loads and loads of these websites all the time. We know it back to front, so we can certainly help you. That's all from me. Ciao.